There's your obscene phone call, if that helps you sleep. Get off my leg. I think that's supposed to be crickets. Ow! And we're back full cycle. And then this button takes you through the RGB, takes you through all the different colors. And then, let's see. Okay. I'm charging this because it has a battery compartment back here to be battery operated. But it says this takes a 3.7 volt battery. I gotta say, I really don't know what that is. Takes a certain rechargeable battery, etc., etc. A AA battery comes to about here on it, so it doesn't fit AA, doesn't fit AAA. So I don't know if this is, I don't know what size battery it takes. I don't know what they're talking about. So I would have to look it up, and I would have to be interested in looking that up. But that's what this does. And then, there we go. That's it. Okay, I guess it would have some purposes, but I am really underimpressed with what this little machine does. I thought, I don't know what I thought, but it's different than what I got. Anyway, there you go.